If you're seeing a GOG server error, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you 2 quick ways to troubleshoot it so you can figure out whether the problem is on your side or if GOG is having a wider outage. This is especially useful if you're trying to download a game, sign in, or use the Galaxy launcher and nothing seems to be working. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you should do is check whether GOG is actually down for everyone. Sometimes the issue has nothing to do with your device, your internet, or the launcher itself. It could simply be a server outage affecting a lot of users at once. To check that, open your browser and go to the Downdetector GOG status page. This page shows live reports from other users and can help you confirm whether there's a larger outage happening right now. Once the page loads, look at the report graph and the most recent user comments. If you see a sudden spike in reports, that usually means GOG is having server issues. If the complaints are concentrated around login, downloads, or the store, that gives you a better idea of what part of the service is affected. If the reports are low and the page looks normal, then the problem may be local to your setup instead. Now, if GOG appears to be down, the best thing to do is wait and try again later. Server issues are usually temporary, and checking Downdetector can save you a lot of time troubleshooting something you can't fix on your own. But if the site looks fine and you still can't access your games, then move on to the second method. The next step is to bypass the launcher completely and use the offline installers directly from your GOG account library. This is a great workaround if the Galaxy client is giving you trouble, freezing, or refusing to connect to GOG servers. To do this, go to the official GOG website in your browser and sign in to your account. After you're logged in, go to your library and find the game you want to install. Instead of opening the Galaxy launcher, look for the offline installer files or standalone downloads linked to your purchase. GOG is known for offering DRM-free installers, which means you can install many games without relying on the launcher at all. Download the installer files directly to your computer. Depending on the game, you may see multiple parts or separate setup files, so make sure you grab everything listed for that title. Once the downloads are complete, run the installer manually and follow the on-screen instructions to install the game. This lets you get back to playing even if the Galaxy client is being stubborn or GOG's servers are temporarily unstable. If you're still having issues after that, double check your internet connection, sign out and back into your GOG account, and make sure your browser or antivirus isn't blocking the download page. But in most cases, checking for outages first and then using the offline installers will solve the problem much faster than waiting on the launcher alone. So to recap, first, verify whether GOG is having a wider outage on Downdetector, and second, bypass the launcher by downloading the offline installers directly from your GOG library. Those 2 steps can save you a lot of frustration and get you back into your games faster. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick fixes and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.